Alright, so today I'll be teaching us how to create a TVD pop-up effect. The simple way to create a TVD pop-up effect. So let's start by creating our shape. Let's create our shape. I just make it this size. Then let's duplicate the shape. Then you change the color of the top layer. Then we just reduce the size of the top layer also. And this should be okay. And after we reduce the size, let's just rasterize the down layer and merge the two together by pressing Ctrl E. Then after that, we're going to add some perspective. Sorry, no, not like that. So yes, like this. Just a little bit of perspective. Then we distort it by bringing this down a little bit. Yes, let's perspective again. Let's check the angle if it is accurate. Alright, and after we've done that, then let's duplicate the down layer. Then let's duplicate the shape also. Let's make it a first one. Let's name it frame. Then we name the second shape that we duplicated shadow. Then the first shape on top, the first frame on top, let's press Ctrl T for free transform. Then we come to warp, just to warp it a little bit. Just bring this up a little bit. Bring this up a little bit. Yes, this should be okay. Increase this a little, and increase this a little also. After that, let's come down to this down shape. Let's just cover this to smart objects. Then we give it some color overlay. We give it black color overlay. Then we come to effects, blur, Gaussian blur. I just blur it a little. Then we reduce the opacity. Then after we've done that, these layers that we've copied, I just move them to the top. Then let's add a solid color to the background. Let's give it this solid color. Let's move it to the back, and we add these two, and this is what we have here. Then we open this layer. As you can see, it is directly on top of it. We close it back. Then we come back to the frame layer. We take our quick selection tool and we select the red part of it. Yes, you see, after we selected the red part of it, then you come back to this top layer here. You open it. After you open it, you make sure it's selected and you create a layer mask on top of it. Then after that, you open back the first layer. You go to your select objects. You select the subject that is in the background of the first layer, which is the man. Still selecting. Yes, after you selected it, then you create another layer mask on top. So this is a simple way to create a TVD pop-up effect in Adobe Photoshop.